Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the 93mm alox carver SW. That's a brand new limited edition that we just got in stock as of March 2015. It's the first time that there was a fully serrated 93mm main blade. That is a feature that some people did want to have for a long time. The model is our carver model. That's still the only knife that is made with two main blades. The carver as it is usually has two plain edge blades. The difference between this model is that one blade is fully serrated, as we saw it. So as you see on the front, on top of it, we have the naranja orange alox scales with a red and silver shield there. The orange is pretty bright, and as an indicator you see the area by the shield. That blade in that section there gonna be plain edge as usually. As I gonna open it up, we see here that is the plain edge blade as we have it in all the different Swiss Army knives. And on the other side, as I gonna open it up, on the other side we have then the fully serrated blade. Of course you should not open both blades together. That is just for demonstration on the video that you see where is which blade. The serrated blade is really nice serrated. We're gonna do a video also on how to resharpen the serration. Some people are not too skilled to do that all the time. They are more used to the plain edge blades, but if you have the correct tool and a bit of a skill set, a know-how, then it's pretty easy to sharpen these serrations. The advantage also in that style of serration is that all the different waves of the serrations have the same size, so there is not a change between a bigger and a smaller serration, which makes it more complex to resharpen. It's always the same serrated serration size there. So that much about that. The rest of the tools are like the regular carver. We have the pruner blade and the awl, and in the middle, as the middle layer, as usually, the folding saw. So nothing new there, it's simply the serrated blade, and that is what is new on this one. The SW means serrated, and the W means the Wellenschliff. That is the German name for serrated blade, Wellenschliff. So that's just a simple designation that we see which model we talk about. That knife was made in 100 pieces by Victorinox for swissbianco in March 2015. It is now on sale, and once those 100 pieces are gone, that run is sold out. So that much about the 93mm alox carver SW.